What's the fastest way to create customized Vyond videos? If you're an e-learning developer or an interactive video designer, there are times when you need to work fast. Maybe you're up against a tight deadline, or you need to quickly mock up a sample to win additional client work. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick shortcut to jumpstart your creative workflow. Hi there, it's Kimberly Goh bringing you tips and tools to take interactive video to the next level. Let's jump right into the tutorial. One of the quickest ways to add backgrounds and props is to use a Vyond template. These templates are a great place to start if you're developing e-learning or explainer videos, and especially if you're creating animated interactive videos. There are two types of templates to choose from: complete Vyond videos or individual scenes. Let's look at the complete videos first. To access the video library, click the Help button and choose Template Library. There are so many templates to choose from, it can be overwhelming. So it's usually best to narrow your results by searching for a particular topic or checking the boxes for particular industries. You can also narrow results by choosing a certain style, like business-friendly or contemporary. Let's say I want to create a video that helps people hold effective video conference calls, and I want to use contemporary style characters. So I might choose this template, Conference Call Etiquette. After the video uploads into Vyond Studio, I can begin making my changes. The first thing I notice is the green background color. I might want to change it to a more attractive color like blue. Since they're all green to start with, I can select several scenes from my timeline by holding down the Shift key and clicking on a starting and ending scene. Next, I'll click on the green base color, choose the contemporary color palette, and choose this shade of blue. A few of the scenes still use two background colors to show people in different locations, but for the most part, you can see the background color has been changed to blue. Now I can make changes to individual scenes. In this scene, I'll change the text. If a scene looks too cluttered, I can click on a prop and hit delete. To replace this cup, I click on the cup to select it, then I click this replace icon to go into replace mode. Then I click this chair, which is the props icon, and I search on the word coffee. When I select this pink cup, it automatically replaces the cup that was on her desk. I can use this same replace technique to replace characters with other characters stored under this character icon. And if I want to delete any scenes, I just right-click the scene and choose Delete. To add a new scene, right-click a scene and add a new scene after it. You can choose from a template, continue the current scene, or add a blank scene. Later in this Vyond tutorial series, I'll reveal other shortcuts like how to use individual scene templates, how to quickly customize your video with brand colors, and how to globally replace props throughout your video with a single click. Hit subscribe and ring the notifications bell to see those videos as soon as they're uploaded. To learn more about creating animated interactive videos with Vyond, check out the Vyond tutorial playlist next.